Hello and welcome to This Da for Week Cooking. I'm your host Shernette, and today I will be making a quick and easy rice and peas. And let's get started. What you're going to need is a can of red beans. I always use the small red beans. You want to rinse them and you can add them to the pot. And to that, I will be adding, let me just get a little closer so you guys can see. And I'm going to start my pot. I'm going to add some fresh thyme. My thyme has dried out a little bit. Going to put in, let's see how much water that I use. So I used 3 cups of water. You're going to use a pack of chicken flavored, the bouillon cube powder. I don't know if you can see that good. Let me just get it back into focus. I'm gonna add that, and that gives it a very nice flavor. What you also need is a half a can of coconut milk. So make sure you have your coconut milk. That's my pressure cooker over there cooking. And a pack of sazon. I'm going to put my pack of sazon in also. And you can put a bay leaf. I have to get it. But you want to put that whole pack of sazon in there. And I'm using half of bell pepper. I'm using 1 clove of garlic chopped, and a medium-sized onion, and your habanero pepper. So you want to put that in. And I need my spoon for this, because I want to make sure I get all my seasoning in. And give that a stir. Add a little black pepper. It's probably like a 1/8 of a teaspoon, but all of the descriptions, all of the ingredients will be in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell and share. All right, let's get back to cooking. So after the pepper, you're going to add some nette seasoning. Get that in there good. So that's probably like a tablespoon. But like I say, all the descriptions, because I do not measure. So I'm getting my measuring right for you guys. A little smoked paprika. A little bit of that Cajun seasoning. Probably like 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1/8 of garlic and onion powder. I'm going to give that a stir, and then I'll give it a little taste to see if I have enough seasoning. So just stir that in real good. And since my thyme, let me add a little bit more thyme. But you can put like around 4 of the sprigs of thyme in. If you don't have fresh thyme, you can always use the dry thyme. If you use the dry thyme, then you want to use like maybe a teaspoon of thyme. Okay, let's give that a stir real good. And I will also get my bay leaf and put that in, 1 bay leaf. All right, that's seasoned good. So I'm gonna let that boil. When it comes to a boil, then we will finish up. Hello, hello, I am back. Let's see how these beans are cooking. So that water has cooked down. I cooked these beans for around 25 minutes. And now I'm gonna add my half a can of coconut milk. I'm gonna add a little water to this and shake it up. I'm gonna get all my coconut milk out. Alright, so that was like a little 1/4 cup. Just put a little bit in there. Give it a taste. Oh, it tastes great. Now I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna start out with 2 cups first, and this is instant rice. So I'm using instant white rice. You can use any brand that you like. Like I say, this is a quick, gotta get my eyes right. Quick and easy rice and peas. Let me put in that 2 cups. And you want it to just be able to make sure you can cover all your rice. Remember, this is instant rice. 5-minute instant rice. Ready in 5 minutes. The beans are done. So now we're just rehydrating the rice, the instant rice. All right, I think I might add, I think I'm gonna add this last cup. So I'm gonna add 3 cups. Now I may have to add just a little water to just make sure. Now I just added a little water. That was like half a cup of water I added. So with your half a can of coconut milk and your half a cup or a cup of water to your 3 cups of instant rice. And then we will remove, I'm gonna remove, maybe I need to remove that now for it bust, because I don't want to bring the heat to myself. And I can take these few out because they sticking up. So you want to remove your sprigs. Let it just come to a little boil, not a rolling boil, but just a little boil. And then you can cover it up and let that instant rice cook from the heat. So you want to move your sprigs. And I did put that 1 bay leaf in, and I want to remove that. Let me get the other piece, because you cannot eat that bay leaf or the sprigs. There's another one. You know, I'm grabbing it by the sprigs because I will burn my hand off. And I got one more, look like up in here. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cover with the top, and we will have some quick, easy rice and peas. Easy peasy rice and peasy. So I'm gonna cover that up. Turn it off, turn the fire off, and just how you would cook your instant rice, you would cook it like that at the end for your rice and peas. So I'm gonna let that water absorb into the rice, rehydrate this rice, and then I will show you the outcome. So I'm just a Q mom from the Shy, representing the Q dogs today. My son is a Q, and I will be back. Rice and peas. The rice and peas are ready. Just look at all this goodness, and you just want to take your fork and fluff it. So good. And just remove all your stems that you see. Remove your stems out. Look at that. Looks delish. Quick, easy rice and peas. I can do the long version if you guys want me to do the long version with the dried beans and the long grain white rice. Just hit me in the comment section and I will do it for you. So I'm gonna plate and I will be back. I'm back and look at my gorgeous dish. I have quick and easy rice and peas and beef short ribs cooked in a pressure cooker. And with your Belizean hot sauce, let's take a taste of the rice and peas first. Yes. Let's do the beef. It's just falling all apart. Some beef with a little rice and beans. This is so good. So thanks for joining. Now go and make these recipes. I have rice and peas, my quick and easy rice and peas, and my beef short ribs cooked in my pressure cooker. Very, very good dish, good flavor. You better believe it. And also, bon appetit. Do a happy dance.